All right, so here's another quickie. So we got our multimeter and we got 2 cut RCAs. And I put these little ends on them so I can connect my alligator clamps from my multimeter to those. And I'll put it on each side here and there. Don't really have to check because I already know that they work just fine. And then we can get our readings just like that. And what we're reading today is a distribution box, something that you're starting to see in the car audio world. What we want to do is check for resistance on each end of the plug, so each one of these is matching up. All right, and we want that number again to be very low. These is one of the Sky High Car Audio distribution box, handcrafted by Slam Panda. So we want to just check the work and make sure that these things are not noisy. This is in a quest, of course, to eliminate any kind of noise that you may be getting in your system. These usually go between where the source goes in here, and then, like I said, it distributes to out your other amps. So we want that to be clean all the way to here and then out to the amp. Now out to the amp will be your lines between the amps, so you need to make sure that those lines are clean. Go ahead and check out my quickie list to see how to make sure that your RCAs are clean. So we'll put one in right here. We'll switch on our meter. And then we'll set it to the on mode. And then we'll start testing. So let's just check some of the channels and see. Ooh, that's a low number. That is clean. 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 All right. Let's switch to the other side and check those. Remember, we want that number to be real low, and that is, that is low. All right. So this is a good box. Get these off of Sky High Car Audio, or you can get a custom-made one by Slam Panda Systems. Yeah, man. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.